So we just got here and we are collecting. So we had to do quite a bit of signing and I think we are ready to go now. So I'll catch you guys in the car. So we've got the car's keys, no spare key, but yeah, let's go. Okay, so we've managed to track down the car in the gap. And there she is. The drive-by temporary automobile. And we are in the 7. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Or welcome to the next day. So as you guys can clearly see, we bought the Golf 7. We are just stopping by the garage quickly. Not much has changed yesterday from when I obviously test drove the car to now. The car started first time, so I don't need a battery. So hopefully by the time I get home, I would have driven up even further charging the battery, so that's fine. Because it was swinging slightly lazy, but it took, which tells me the battery was just a bit flat, probably from standing. So we're just gonna put fuel in the car quickly now. I'm not gonna switch the car off, and then we'll drive home. So there's our first issue, we can't put in fuel, and I'm assuming that's because the battery was flat. Okay, so I switched the car off, switched it back on, and like everything else, turn it on and off again. We're not gonna test it now, we wanna get fuel and go. Okay, so we're just pumping up the wheels quickly to 2.5 right around. Car's idling, heat gauge is where it should be. So, sorted out the tires, stored the tire pressure, no errors on the dash. Because starting, I switched on and off about 3 times now, so hopefully that crisis is averted. Yeah, I've already started making a list of things because I kind of knew I was going to buy this car, so I kind of prepped everything I want to sort out. I've already contacted the guy for the bonnet shock. Well, I hope I got his new number, because I had a guy that does mobile bonnet shocks that comes to your house, and it's quite convenient, and his pricing was, well, is decent, but like I said, I'm hoping this is his new number. So yeah, tires I'll probably sort out tomorrow, the day thereafter. As I mentioned, we're all going on holiday as well, so I'm not sure how much of this car I can sort out. But yeah, other than that, quite happy with the car. You guys would have seen in the previous video, the car is in a good nick for a car that is 12 years old. I did find the licensing paper inside the cubbyhole. So yeah, car's actually licensed as well, so I wouldn't pay that fee. It's just a transfer essentially. Other than that, good car in my opinion. Not sure when exactly I'm gonna service the car, because it is that time of the year now where we are prepping with family time, so we'll see. But anyway, I'll catch you guys just now. Let me find out if I bought a lemon or something that's nice. So obviously we came to VAGSPEC first with the car, and we'll probably bring the car on Friday or on Saturday. So I've just came from VAGSPEC now. I'll bring the car most likely Friday evening or Saturday morning early. I need to bring the R32 there as well, because also in the previous video you guys have seen one of the bushings which is close to the gearbox mounting, and there's a tear in, so we want to replace that. And I'll most likely service this car as well, and they'll run through the car just to make sure everything is fine. The holiday inspection again as per previous video, so check that videos out guys. Car swang lazily, but it took first time, which was great. Like I said, from WeBuy cars to VAGSPEC it's like a 5-minute drive, so me driving home now is probably going to be about 10 minutes, which would be a bit better for the car, just to drive up a charge on the battery. Not seeing any weird issues and errors with the car, which is great. The only small heart attack was the petrol flap not opening. I really didn't list for that problem, because yeah, I don't even know how to fix or even get to the actuator that sits inside the petrol flap. So yeah, so we're gonna move home now. The car actually claps lekker. Nice verpah. Even though it's got the standard exhaust, it won't be audible on the camera. car's very noisy inside, like I showed in the previous video. Although a tire might look like it's got thread, that doesn't mean the quality of the tire is good. Jared did a holiday inspection where he also mentioned tire flat spots, surfaces that's not touching the road, etc. And that's where all this road noise inside the car is coming from. So I'll definitely replace the car's tires. I'll start with 2, I guess, and then see if it's necessary to replace the back 2 as well. I do have a set of wheels for the car that I actually wanted to put on the R32, but we must see how it goes. I would prefer to sell this car with the OEM wheels anyway, because this car is not for keeps. So like I mentioned, it's an interim channel car for now. So yeah, it's a bit out of my comfort zone to buy from DriveBuyCars, but like I mentioned, when there's opportunity, there's opportunity. So yeah, you can't sleep on opportunity. So I'll catch you guys when I am at home, and hopefully I make it this safe, because I'm kind of rushing to get home now so that I don't sit with the issue along the road, but it's kind of just one straight road from here now. Yeah, guys, let's give the Golf 7 a name. She doesn't have a name yet, so pop one in the comment section. So this is actually a very good test for the car. I'm sitting in traffic now, and I mean, check that. So yeah, good test for the heat gauge, for the battery, and to make sure there's no issues. So we're still on the move and we're still in traffic. So yeah, quick tour on the Golf 7, cruise control, multifunctional steering wheel, a hooter that works. It's obviously got airbags as per normal on a new car, automatic headlights, electric windows all around. Does the electric mirrors work? Electric mirrors work. Yep, both work. Infotainment system with Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary, DSG, so pedal shifts, manual shifts as well. I've tested a lot of these things yesterday when I test drove the car. Heated seats, leather seats. What else have we got here? Electronic handbrake, hill hold assist. So that's essentially when you are standing on a hill and you are maybe at a robot, the car doesn't roll to the back. Panoramic sunroof. So yeah, parking sensors right around front and rear. And yeah, what else have we got here? Central locking aircon. Does the aircon actually work? Come here. Felt it for a moment. What setting does this need? Yep, aircon is ice cold. Let's put that off because it's loud. So yeah, I don't think there's really anything else. The car's very clean, no tears on the seats, which is great. No recon work inside the car. And yeah, as you guys saw in the previous video, I did test drive the car, which was part of why I bought the car. On the auction I can't do that obviously, but I inspected the vehicle as I would do with one that I would purchase at an auction. So I guess the test drive was actually just a bonus. Yeah, that's very nice. When we get home, we'll probably unbox the car, check all the compartments, service book and owner's manual, etc. That's all in the cubbyhole, which is great. And yeah, like I said, so yeah, this is actually the most important thing I care about. Okay, so we are at home now, just a sanity test. Can you see still a bit flat,
which
but
will be Mart's first match in front of the faithful.
Okay, so it's time for the first mod on the car. So that looks much better. It's all time for the second mod on the car. We sell cars. Fresh baba. So I'm just gonna go wash the car quickly. The car is fairly clean, but the outside is a bit dirty. The interior is very nice. But I just want to have the car washed just to see what I have to start with, if that makes sense. Like what is the base of the car and the paint work. Because obviously when I viewed the car wasn't clean either. So yeah, let's just get the car looking like it should look, I guess. Hi guys, so that is Lester. So Lester does all your boot shocks, bonnet shocks. He can explain to you. So he's just gonna change the bonnet shock on the Golf quickly. So the guys is doing their thing. So Lester's done this on more than one of my cars in the past. So Lester, just out of interest, just tell the people what you do. I'll put your number and stuff all at the bottom.
Obviously, gas shocks for your bonnet, your bootlet, hatch, canopy. And then I do camper accessories as well. Canopy accessories like your lights, trail accessories, lights, chevron boards, triangle reflectors, throw-over catches, different sizes, adjustables. Well, you know, all that, light boxes, lights, your round trailer LED lights, that type of stuff.
Cool, so I'll put Lester's details all at the bottom, and then you guys can contact him if you are within Cape Town. I think you have a shop now as well, if I'm not mistaken. So it's a shop.
Breton Circle.
Breton Circle.
699 Governor Beaky.
100%. So I'll leave all the details in the description, guys. I'll send you all the details. Yeah, guys, new subscriber. Sorted. Perfecto. I wish we could all make money so quick. So cool. Baie dankie. And that is one thing off the checklist.